Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can fix iPhone not receiving emails. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to make sure is that your internet connection is working. For that, you can simply just check out any kind of internet speeding check website. So like that, you can make sure that your internet is connected. The another thing that you have to make sure that you are not on the airplane mode. For that, you can simply just scroll down through your control panel like this, and after doing that, you can simply just see this is the airplane mode, and currently it is not turned on. If it is turned on like this, you have to tap on this button like this and turn it off just like this. So just like this, we are not in the airplane mode anymore. And after making sure that, check if your mail is working or not. So in order to check that, we can simply just open the mail application on your phone. And after opening it here, you can simply just refresh the page by simply scrolling down like this. And you can see we have refreshed it, and like that you can check if your mail is working or not. If it's still not working, you can simply just swipe up from the bottom of your phone just like this. Here you can see, and in order to remove it from the background app running, you can simply just swipe up like this, and you can see the mail application is now gone, and you can again simply open the application and check whether your mail is working or not. If that did not fix, the next thing that you might want to do is simply just restart your iPhone, for which you can simply just click on your volume up button, volume down button, and keep pressing on your power button until you see the Apple logo. And after you see the Apple logo, you can simply just release the power on button, and it will automatically restart your iPhone. And after restarting your iPhone, check whether it's working or not. If it's still not working, the next thing that you might want to do is just check out your storage of your iPhone, for which you can simply just go to your settings. And on your settings, you can tap on General. And after doing that, here you can see the option of iPhone storage. Tap on it. Just like this, here you can see my iPhone does not have much more space, but it does have enough space to get mails. So if your iPhone storage is full, delete unnecessary applications that you don't need anymore, or any kind of files or video or photos that you don't need anymore. So make sure that you have enough space on your iPhone storage. So after making sure that, I'm pretty sure you will be getting mails. And if it still does not work, the next thing that you might want to do is simply just go to the mail settings, for which you can simply open your settings application again. And in here, you have to now scroll all the way down. And here you can see the option of apps. Tap on it. And in here, you can manually search for mail application under the M. Here you can see the mail application right here. Tap on it. And after doing that, here you can tap on mail accounts. So after doing that, here you can see there is the option of fetch new data. Tap on it. And in here, you can see currently push is turned on. If it is turned off, you can simply just tap on this toggle button in order to turn it on. So in here, you can see all of these options are in fetch. You have to make sure all of these options are in fetch. For example, I'm going to tap on this particular Gmail account like this. And in here, you can see it is currently fetch. If it is manual on your phone like this, you'll have to tap on fetch and select fetch like this. And now you can go back and select everyone to be in fetch except this iCloud. So after you have made sure that, also make sure that you have chosen this automatically option right here. If it is on manually or hourly or every 30 minutes or 50 minutes, you have to tap on automatically and select automatically. So after you've done that, you can again go back and check if it's working or not. And if it still does not work, the next thing that you might want to do is simply just delete the Gmail account that you want the mail to come and re-add it. So in order to delete it, tap on any mail account that you don't want like this, and tap on this delete account like that, and you will successfully be able to delete this mail account from your iPhone mail. And you can go back, and in order to re-add it, you can tap on add account like this, and you can choose what kind of platform it is: iCloud, Google, Yahoo, Outlook, Microsoft Exchange, or other. And you can simply just add your account like that. So after doing all of this, I'm pretty sure that you will be getting your mail, and like that, you can fix your iPhone not receiving emails. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.